In a recent archaeological revelation, a chilling artifact has been discovered, reshaping our perception of ancient civilizations. Hidden within the layers of time, a stone tablet bears inscriptions detailing a prophecy that unnervingly aligns with contemporary fears, the end of the world, and a demonic incursion. This ominous artifact, believed to be crafted by an ancient civilization, unveils a remarkably precise countdown, sparking concerns among scholars and experts. The inscriptions foretell a convergence of cosmic forces and infernal entities that will herald an unprecedented era of chaos. As researchers decipher the cryptic warnings, the prophecy unfolds with haunting clarity. The artifact speaks of celestial alignments and earthly upheavals, depicting a cataclysmic event that transcends cultural and temporal boundaries. The depiction of demonic entities, often relegated to mythology, takes a disconcertingly realistic form in the inscriptions. Scientists grapple with the unnerving possibility that the artifact might provide a glimpse into a cataclysmic future. Amidst the skepticism, the artifact stands as a somber reminder of the fragility of our existence. The warnings of demonic incursion and world-ending events, though unsettling, force a sober reflection on the delicate balance of our world and the challenges that humanity faces. The discovery raises profound questions about the interconnectedness of ancient civilizations and the cosmic forces that have shaped our collective fears throughout history. As debates unfold, the artifact's ominous prophecy lingers in the collective consciousness, leaving a lingering uncertainty about the future and the potential reality of a demonic convergence that echoes across the ages. We must decipher this prophecy or face the demonic embrace. It seems like a chilling countdown to humanity's reckoning has begun.